Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Let's take a look at three cryptos. We're going to be taking a look at IOTA in this video. We'll take a look also at Ethereum, and we'll take a look at Ripple. All of this based on long-term monthly charts. And I'll give you some price levels to watch and some of the technical makeup. So let's begin here. The method I'm going to be using is my method. You can get an intro. You can get an intro into this method by taking a look at the link that I'll provide in the description of the video. So let's go to the charts here, and you can see here the price for Ethereum on the monthly is breaking below the recent monthly closing low. And as long as that's the case, we are looking at the risk of much lower prices as long as it is trading below 113.68, which is this monthly closing low here from late 2018. And also we can see here that the RSI on the monthly looks like it is threatening to move lower. And so again here, anything back above this price is what the bulls want to see. And the bears are encouraged by the fact that it is trading below 113.68. The same is true for IOTA on the monthly. Anybody who wanted to go short here was given a reason to go short when it moved below the recent monthly closing low. And for IOTA, the level is 028.02878. Anything below that continues to be bearish. If IOTA is to recapture higher levels, the first order of business would be to move back above this level. We can see here the RSI also looks like it continues to probe lower levels. So those are the levels to watch. Anything above the levels is a sign of recovery. Staying below the levels, as is the case now, is a sign of a crypto market that could be set for even lower prices. Oh, and before I forget, for Ripple, the level to watch, and you can see here it is moving below the recent monthly closing low. RSI is also probing fresh lows, which is a risk for lower prices. So the level to watch here in terms of price is for Ripple, whether it is below 0.33498. Anything below this price, of course, means that it continues to be bearish and with higher odds of moving lower. Otherwise, if it is to recover and move higher, it would have to recapture this level first and foremost, based on the ultimate Muathe sell signal, which is an original concept. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ETHUSD.